Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Radiant Secondary School. This is our physics lecture. Today our topic is the types of motion. Students, as in the previous lecture, you have studied about the motion in detail. In that lecture, you have studied that an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding. Motion can be observed everywhere. Just take a look around yourself. You can see people walking, cars moving on the road, motion of ball, birds flying in the sky, motion of an aeroplane. When you observe around yourself, you can see different objects are moving in different way. Some objects are moving in a straight path, some objects are moving in curved path or in a circular way. Similarly, motion of some objects is in irregular way. On the basis of all these concepts, motion can be divided into three types. First type of motion is the translatory motion. Second type of motion is the rotatory motion, and third type of motion is the vibratory motion. Now we will discuss one by one all these three types of motion. In this lecture, we will discuss the first type of motion in detail. That is the translatory motion. Translatory motion is basically the motion of a body in a straight line or in a curved path without any rotation. For example, pushing a box in a straight line is the example of translatory motion. Similarly, motion of toy train in a curved or circular path is also the example of translatory motion. Other examples of translatory motion are there. Moving a car on a road is the example of translatory motion. Similarly, motion of riders in the Ferris wheel is also the example of translatory motion. You can see that riders in the Ferris wheel are moving in a circular path. So, by observing all these examples, you can say that translatory motion is basically the motion in a line. This line may be in a straight path or in a curved path. Here you can see that ball is moving in a straight path. Similarly, here ball is moving in a curved path. On the basis of these concepts, translatory motion is further divided into three categories. First type of the translatory motion is the linear motion. Second type of the translatory motion is the circular motion. And third type of the translatory motion is the random motion. Now we will discuss one by one all these three types of translatory motion in detail. First type of the translatory motion is the linear motion. Linear motion is basically the motion of a body in a straight line. For example, motion of falling object in a straight path, motion of an apple falling from a tree in a straight line, motion of a ball in a straight line, pushing a box in a straight line, running a boy in a straight path. In all these examples, you can see the motion of all the objects in a straight line. So these are the examples of the linear motion. There are some other examples of the linear motion. For example, motion of a car in a straight line on a road. This is also the example of the linear motion. Second type of motion of a body is the circular motion. Circular motion is basically the motion of a body in a circular path. For example, motion of toy train in a circular path. This is the example of the circular motion. In this example, you can see that each and every particle of the train is moving in a circular path. There is another example of the circular motion. Here you can see Earth is moving around the Sun in circular path. So motion of Earth around the Sun is the circular motion. Similarly, you can see that at the same time, Moon is also moving around the Earth in circular path. So motion of Moon around the Earth is also the circular motion. So these are the examples of the circular motion. Third types of the translatory motion is the random motion. An irregular or disordered motion of the body is called the random motion. For example, irregular motion of insects. Similarly, birds are flying in the sky in irregular way. These are the examples of random motion. There are also some other examples of random motion. Irregular motion of the butterfly and football players in the ground. Also, these are the examples of the random motion. Another example of the random motion is the motion of gas molecules. Here you can see that gas molecules are moving in an irregular or disordered way. This random motion of gas molecules is also called the Brownian motion. Students, this is your today diary. You have to learn question number 3. As in this lecture, you have studied in detail only about the first type of motion, that is the translatory motion. So you have to learn only the translatory motion and its types. Also, you have to write the 5 examples of linear motion, circular motion and random motion on your rough register.